Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can remove white background in After Effects. First, let's open your Adobe After Effects, hit Create New over here, and import your video or photo that you want to delete the background. Then after that, go to your right and navigate to Effects and Preset. On the search box, type in Luma and click this Luma key over here. Drag and drop this one to your image or video. On the top, you can see this effects controls. On the key type, select Key Out Brighter. Then over here, make sure to select this PNG type, the grid one. On the threshold, just swipe right until you get the whole image on your screen. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.